friends, Running Kimono here. Dollar General, we have an 11-pound bag of Kitten Caboodle cat food, the original flavor, for $1.50. This is an unheard of price. I believe this bag at some stores near me are close to $13. So this is some tremendous, tremendous savings. I know other stores it's like $11.99. So it's like 90% off, which is amazing. Special shout out to Shan Shops Deals and Bargain Busters over on Instagram. These two ladies were talking about this deal and they are right on the money. So thank you to these two Instagrammers. Okay, so this is the bag of cat food that we're looking for, which is the 11-pound Purina Kitten Caboodle original. And it has to be this one. The other flavors are all still full price. So if you wish to open up your Dollar General app and scan the barcode, here it is, and fingers and toes crossed, it'll ring up for $1.50 at the till. I went to a couple of stores where they said a bunch of them were in stock, and they weren't on the floor. So I think they were in the back room or something, and I couldn't find an employee. Another store I went to where it said 3 were in stock, I found 1. And it rang up for $1.50 at the till. It was an older store. It wasn't a new updated store. But hey, $1.50 for an 11-pound bag of cat food, yes. And then just to show you the difference, like, it is ringing up in the app for $1.50. So that is just tremendous. If you have cats, you know that, especially if you have multiples, you probably go through a lot of food. Alternatively, if you are into donating to the SPCA, this would be a really good donation item, I think. Because this is pet food and it's so cheap, guys, at 90% off, I think it's going to get cleared really quickly. Look at this, regular price $12.60 down to $1.50. So that's just a tremendous price. Some stores, it was full price. Other stores, $1.50. So I don't know if it's going to change in the system, if they're discontinuing this product. I don't know what's going on. But I do know for $1.50, like, that is a really good item. And we have 4, which is a lot of cats. So we're always going through a lot of food. And I just wasn't, we buy a special cat food because our one cat, Suzu, she's a long-haired kitty. Look how intense. She looks like an owl. And I was like, I'm going to pass on this deal. But then she hopped in my lap around 2 o'clock. And I think she was trying to tell me to go do the deal. And it's weird. Do you ever get a weird sign before you go couponing and you're like, yeah, I should go do this deal? So I still have it in the back of my car. I'm definitely going to donate this bag to the SPCA. I think, there's a lot of cats, especially that, dogs probably get the most donations, but cats not as much. So I'm definitely going to be donating this to a couple of cats in the area, and hopefully they like it. So, I would get out right away. Definitely open up the Dollar General app so you're not wasting a drop of gas. Check if your store has it, and then go to the regular pet food aisle, and that's where you should be finding this 11-pound bag. And they also have a 20-pound bag, but it's only the 11-pound bag. So really pay good attention to that. And if you can open up the Dollar General app, scan the barcode, you'll have the intel if it's in stock, yay or nay. And I know that at one store I visited, there was supposed to be like 8 in stock, but there was nothing on the shelf. So I don't know if the system didn't update or they had a whole bunch in the back, but I couldn't find an employee. So I'm like, I'm going to just go to the next store. And that's where I found the 1 bag. Very grateful to find 1 bag. And I'm going to stop at 1 because our cats, this long-haired girl, we're on a special formula for all the cats because of her. Okay, that's it for this video. Good luck, and let me know in the comments if you guys score, and if you're going to also donate your cat food to the SPCA if you don't have cats. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.